We begin with the good news story on India first, and that is India acing several vaccination milestones in a day. India's total vaccination now more than vaccination in entire Europe. More vaccination in a day than the population of Sri Lanka. India's vaccination today stands at twice Belgium's entire population and 5 times the population of New Zealand. In fact, the numbers that you see on your television screen, 2 crore 26 lakh 25,181 and counting, is more than the population of 58 countries across the world. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has hailed world record vaccinations in a single day. In a tweet, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said every Indian would be proud of today's record vaccination numbers. I acknowledge our doctors, innovators, administrators, nurses, healthcare and all frontline workers who have toiled to make the vaccination drive a success. Let us keep boosting vaccination to defeat COVID-19, unquote. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Milan Sharma for more on this big story. Milan, so it's 2 crore 26 lakh and counting even as we speak. Are these numbers that are still coming in, or is vaccination still happening? And bring us details about, was this planned and how was this planned? Bring us the backstory.
Well, Gaurav, when you pointed out that India has done more vaccinations than the populations of most countries, it itself says that what kind of an achievement India has gained today. And that is because of our healthcare workers and frontline workers, nurses, who have been sitting at vaccination centers so that people are facilitated, which is what the Prime Minister is pointing out, that it's an achievement for India's healthcare infrastructure. But it was not an easy feat to achieve. There were meetings that were held with the healthcare teams and officials of various states who were asked to make sure that people are not hesitant to take the vaccines. Rural India vaccinations have also largely contributed to this achievement today, Gaurav, where people were facilitated through mini clusters that were created in various districts and booths, where the BJP party workers and cadres also mobilized people to make them realize that vaccine is a necessity and they should come out in large numbers and try to take the first as well as second jab. And it is a feat that has been achieved by the citizens. And that is the message that the Prime Minister as well as the Union Health Minister are trying to put forward. And this will help India look at their inoculation target, which is a large number. We are expecting that maybe India could do 100 crore doses of vaccinations as early as October 1st week, which is going to be a very big achievement for the country once again, Gaurav.
It indeed would be. So this isn't just organized or, an event to be timed with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 71st birthday. Will this continue? Is supply chain management sorted out? Are numbers there, for this to continue till to achieve this 100 crore vaccines by October, as you say, and the all eligible adult population by the end of the year? Will that target also be achieved?
Well, definitely, Gaurav, and which is why the government has been working round the clock to increase vaccine productions as well. We've been told by top sources in the health ministry that this month and next month, the Serum Institute will be supplying 20 crore vaccines. Covaxin will be giving about 3 crore vaccines. We already saw that by official figures, there are 7.5 crore vaccines that are lying with the states currently, which were used up today as well to inoculate more than 2 crore people. We have a Zydus Cadila vaccine that's going to come forward next month with 1 crore doses. And we're also going to look at other vaccines from Biological E as well. So this is a plan that has been put in place with estimations. We also have doses from Sputnik V. And largely, Gaurav, you have seen today that 3 vaccines, the Bharat Biotech's indigenous vaccine Covaxin, as well as Serum Institute's Covishield and Sputnik V, have been driving today's massive inoculation drive.
Milan, keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more. For the moment, many thanks. So